Okay, so I'm going to show you quickly how to make a fake forsythia bloom. You're going to need just a branch off of any bush or tree, tissue paper, scissors, and a glue pen or glue gun. So what I've done is I've cut a long strip of 2 pieces of tissue stacked right on top of each other. And then I've cut those into like 2-inch pieces. So you're going to take your layered pieces and you're going to cut from one corner along the side, kind of at a slight curve, so you have a point. Flip it over or turn it and do the same thing on this side. Doesn't have to be exact. Okay, so now I've got 2 pieces. I'm going to make an X, and then I'm going to fold them over. This is going to make a really big one. Fold them over so they look like that, and then I just kind of pinch the bottom together. Then take your branch, take your glue gun, you're going to put a little dollop of glue right where a bloom normally would be, and you just stick it right on. I always have something that I can kind of push it into the glue so that I don't burn my fingers. And then once the glue is set, this one got kind of pushed together, but once that's set, then I can pull the little petals apart and make it look a little bit more realistic. That's all there is to it.